Rest is history.
Yeah, that's not bad. Being around here, at least once a week, if not once a month, if not once a week, I am inadvertently called into one of my firewise things.
Oh, that's dangerous.
Oh, I don't know. Yeah, it's not if it were intentional.
Oh no.
Funny, he just beautifully here.
You know what? I've been thinking, does this antenna test have validity? I've been thinking. At first I thought it was just a ridiculous challenge, having fun on YouTube, pass the time, alleviate some stress. But, yeah, I've been doing some tuning around the bands and, tuning around 80 meters, and what I'm finding is kind of surprising. I'll talk about that in a minute. But for today, I've got to get to work. I get to work for myself today and mow the grass and paint the bare wood on the shed before the thunder boomers arrive today. But does this antenna have validity? On grass? Probably not. Oh, probably such a harsh word. On grass? Maybe not. I am going to make contacts with it laying on the grass. But where the validity lies is I have exceedingly good results with all of my antennas. I've noted before, I live in the midpoint of my block. My yard is the low point on the block. The sewer drain is in the ditch in the front yard. My yard is saturated. And a fantastic ground plane, which in this current test is working as my enemy, not my friend. So, where does the validity come into play? What if you were desperate? What if all hell broke loose and you've got to see what happened, or you've got to make a contact or two? And for all my clowning on digital modes, that may be your best friend with compromised antennas. And where the validity comes into play is, what if that wire's not laying on a billion antenna towers called blades of grass? What if the wire's laying on an insulator or a relative insulator, such as rock or gravel or sand or almost anything other than an ideal ground plane? I'm going to talk more a little later today about the RBN results I've been seeing, which were surprising, and I am still going to try making a few contacts.